Welcome to our channel. If your property has been stolen or vandalized, filing an insurance claim promptly and properly is essential for recovery. Follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Contact law enforcement immediately to report the theft or vandalism. Obtain a police report number, as your insurance company will require this documentation for your claim. Step 2. Notify your insurance company as soon as possible, typically within 24 to 48 hours. Delays in reporting can complicate or jeopardize your claim. Step 3. Document the damage or missing items with photographs and videos. Capture the scene from multiple angles before cleaning up or making repairs. Step 4. Create a detailed inventory of stolen or damaged items, including descriptions, serial numbers, purchase dates, and approximate values. Gather receipts or proof of purchase if available. Step 5. Secure your property by boarding up broken windows or doors to prevent further theft or damage. Keep all receipts, as emergency repairs are typically covered. Step 6. Provide your insurance adjuster with the police report, your detailed inventory, photos, receipts, and any other documentation they request. Step 7. Cooperate fully with the insurance investigation. Answer questions honestly and provide access to your property for inspection as needed. Step 8. Review the claim settlement offer carefully. If you disagree with the valuation of items, provide additional evidence such as online listings showing replacement costs or appraisals for valuable items. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.